Hey, what's up guys? Beastly Tech Tutorials here on behalf of the Royal Media Sweden. And yeah, it's going to be a great channel and there are going to be lots of great, amazing future uploads coming up on that channel. So I think you should just go and subscribe now because it's going to be really helpful in tutorials in different softwares and editing programs. So basically, this tutorial is going to be, it's called the cookie cutter effect, and it's really useful and helpful in people who use Call of Duty or who edit Call of Duty videos. So this is basically what it looks like. I've used this in one of my montages, and this is what it looks like basically. And yeah, as you see, it looks quite neat. It looks quite good actually. It's quite impressive. So what I have so far in Sony Vegas right now is basically just two pretty basic clips, and what I want to create this cookie cutter transition between them. So look where I get a shot, which is here, and then I wait for it to scope in, which is that, and that's when I want the transition to basically be. So if I find where it starts scoping in, pretty much here, then I'm gonna want to split it at this place. Yep, about here. And then I'm gonna go to where it actually scopes in, so pretty much here. Then I'm just gonna scroll on a bit. Then I'm gonna split it again, and I'm gonna delete the rest of the clip because that's pretty much useless right now. Then I'm gonna bring in where I want the next clip to start. So it's just going to be here. Then I'm gonna split that. Yep, right there, and delete the first part because that's also quite useless. So if I put the next clip up right up to the other clip, then yeah, then I go to video effects, cookie cutter here, and circle censor. I take that and then I drag it down into our little split clip, and basically I need to find where I want it split. So if we take it up to start just about here, then we're gonna click animate, and at the end of our little timeline here, we're gonna take the size down and go to the end of the clip. Second, we're gonna go to the end of the clip, and yeah, just take the size down. We're gonna try get the size, like the perfect size, like the scope. So if yeah, that's pretty much right. So then we're just gonna close this because we don't need it, and it should look something like this basically. And yeah, it's quite useful. It looks better if you use it in like a montage like I did, and yeah, it looks decent. It's quite simple to edit and easy to make. So thanks for watching. I hope you go subscribe to Royal Media Sweden because I know it's going to be a big channel. It's going to be great, and they post a lot of really interesting, helpful videos on programming software and programs and stuff. So thanks for watching. Peace.